Hello everyone, in this short video I will explain you hyperinflation. Economies strive hard to survive under galloping inflation. A third and deadly strain takes hold when the cancer of hyperinflation strikes the economy. Under hyperinflation, prices rise 1 million or even 1 trillion% per year. Studying hyperinflation is particularly interesting for the students who are writing their thesis, especially on inflation, because they highlight its disastrous impacts on the economy. Countries face hyperinflation especially during civil war or war. In normal circumstances, people go to stores with money in their pockets and come back with food in their basket. But in hyperinflation, if you go with the money in your basket, you will return with the food in your pocket. Everything becomes scarce except money. Prices are chaotic and production becomes disorganized. The most thoroughly documented case of hyperinflation took place in Weimar Republic of Germany in 1920s. For example, a loaf of bread which cost 250 marks in January 1923 had risen to 200 million marks in November 1923. Distortions caused by these inflation and market fluctuation took an enormous toll on workers and businesses, highlighting one of the major costs of inflation. This was One Learning Minute. See you tomorrow.